Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything about the investing and building wealth. Today we are going to be talking about the investing strategies for beginners. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, but getting started can be intimidating. That's why we are here to help you navigate the world of investing and give you some tips to get started. First thing first, you need to have a plan. You can't just start investing without knowing what your goals are. Do you want to save for retirement? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Once you have a goal in mind, you can start to think about how to achieve it. The next step is to start small. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Start with a few hundred rupees and build from there. A great way to get started is by investing in index funds or ETFs. These type of investment allow you to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk while still getting exposure to the stock market. Another important investing strategy is to focus on the long term. Don't get caught up in the short-term fluctuations in the stock market. Stay invested and let your investments grow over time. This means investing in stocks, bonds, or other assets that have a track record of strong performance over several years. Lastly, keep learning. Investing is a lifelong journey and there is always something new to learn. Stay up to date to the latest trends and news in the market and continue to educate yourself on the different types and topics of the market for investment. Well, that's it for today's video on investing strategies for beginners. We hope these tips have helped you get started on your journey to building wealth. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and happy investing.